These are churches. You watch Anna each of them.
This one is so beautiful.
Really?
Yes. Also this.
Mm.
Also this.
Mm.
Also this.
It looks like an aquarium.
Look at
Oh, yung may stingray. Lapu-lapu.
Also, did you know that these open, that their tongues go out?
Yes. This is a yummy shell.
Ew.
You? Abstract na siya sa inyo paint.
Mom, I come here. I come not funny yet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, those are artifacts. Wow. Mga pots. Huh?
They are doing too.
Jewelries. That's beautiful.
This
Jewelry. It's gold.
color is rainbow and gold.
Hmm.
That is my favorite color.
Hello. Why are these broken?
What's this?
Hmm? This is how they make the fabric, oh.
Nana,
Oh.
Nana, come on, let's go somewhere else. This will happen to something. Nana, come on.
Yung shopping for fabrics here ang mga bayo sa Iloilo. Wait.
Nana, no.
Really?
Let's go to sleep.